Hello friends, happy Makar Sankranti. Welcome to Mini Money Mastermind and this is Mahira speaking. After hearing the name of this channel, you might have already understood the purpose that it serves, but I'm gonna tell you that anyways. The purpose of this channel is to educate everybody about how to use their own money properly and wisely. Now, you might be thinking that why did I think of starting this channel? And the answer to that is very simple. You see, I'm a very curious child, and so whenever my parents took me to the market, I was really curious about everything there, the discounts, the bills, how my parents chose every item they had to buy, and so on. So one day I couldn't shut my mouth down and asked my father what all was this. And then he sat down into teaching me finance, the subject in which we learn about money. Gradually, I realized that this subject was important for everyone, but not all knew about this subject. So I decided to start my own channel in which I would share my knowledge to all of you, my friends. For money-related information, please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell if you want to have a notification whenever I release a newer video. So you can pause the video right now and like and subscribe to my channel just now. Money-related information is important for everyone, but we kids do not have such information in our school textbooks, and even our parents or teachers have no interest in telling us such information. So this channel is by a kid for the kids to enhance their knowledge about money, and kindly share it to other kids as well so that they also gain good information about money. But don't think that in this channel there will only be finance videos, because when one learns too much of one thing, he or she gets a little bored with it. So after some videos of finance, I will have some fun time videos, and in those videos they could be anything like mythological tales or short stories, or even some knowledge will be shared about homeopathic medicines. But don't think that I'm a doctor, okay? I just have some interest in learning about homeopathic medicines. But before we start learning about finance, we should know what it is. What is finance? Finance is the subject in which we learn about money. But what is money? Money is an item that is exchanged for goods and services. Now, goods and services is not a very common term used by the common man. So let me explain what are goods and services. Good. It's not the good morning good, okay? Good is any item that's directly bought from the market, and service is any work performed by someone or some people for which you have to pay for. Both goods and services need to fulfill three criteria. So let's learn about them. Now, the three criteria of goods are the first criteria. It should be an item or a product. Second criteria, it should be bought from a market. Third criteria, it should be paid for. Now, the three criteria of the services are: first criteria, it should be a work. Second criteria, it should be performed by someone or some people. Third criteria, it should be paid for. Now, don't think that your relatives came, he's a good electrician, he did some work for your AC, and he said, oh, leave it, you're my relative, why shall I pay you? You both are friends, done. No money. That is not a service. That's just a help. That's assistance. So, let me explain goods and services through two examples. Let's say I bought an AC today, and then I called an electrician and asked him to fix the AC over there. The electrician came, did his work, got his money, and went away. Here, the good is the AC. It fulfills the three criteria, and the service is the electrician fixing the AC over there. It also fulfills the three criteria. Another example. Let's say I bought an almirah online, and as the almirah came online, it came in pieces and you had to screw them all together. So instead of doing the work myself, I called a carpenter and asked him to do that work. Now don't think I'm a lazy girl, okay? I could have done that work myself, but just this is an example for you. The carpenter came, did his work, got his money and went away. So here, the good is the almirah and the service is the carpenter putting the almirah in order. Both of these fulfill the three criteria. So in the next video, we will be learning about the evolution of money. Now think, money evolved. Just like humans evolved, money as well evolved. It went through different stages to reach what it is today. If you have any queries regarding this video, please write down in this comment section below. I will try my best to answer your queries. If you find any good topic on which I should make a video on, please write down that too in the comment section. I will try my best to make a video regarding that topic. So friends, thank you. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay healthy. Because health